Hello student, let's start to topic first. Introduction to bookkeeping and accountancy. If any person have to carry on business, he have to deal the records and various business transactions such as receiving or giving cash, purchase and sales goods for cash on or credit, incur various expenses like wages, salaries, rent, etc. on income like interest, commission, land, or borrowed money. All such transactions are required to be recorded in black and white. Business transaction may be defined as dealing between persons involving exchange of value. All the business transactions must be recorded in a clear and simple manner so that at any time the businessman can get the information required by him at any time accurately and quickly. A businessman is therefore required to enter all these transactions in the books of account in a systematic and analyzed form. This is termed as bookkeeping. Once upon a time, every person was happy as earns very limited. But as want have increased, every person tried to adjust the resource available from him. In the beginning, commodities were changed or exchanged for commodities, but later on there was evaluation of money. Commodities were exchanged for money. Activities involving money increased. Overall development took place. Business activities have also increased along with it, and it was very difficult for any business person to remember all the transactions of the day. So there was a need to record all business happening in a systematic way, and the job of recording of transaction has been later on called as bookkeeping. In simple language, bookkeeping refers to an art of maintaining the record of the business transaction in the proper form and order. Bookkeeping is the branches of accounting that deals with the systematic analysis, classification, summarizing, and recording of the financial transaction in the books of account. The term bookkeeping refers to maintaining of books of account. The book kept for entering transaction. This is called books of account. A transaction means an exchange of thing or service between two persons or parties. Transaction may be monetary transaction or non-monetary transaction or ordinary transaction. Transaction which do not involve an exchange of money or money's worth directly or indirectly are non-monetary transactions. For example, giving a pen to a friend to the time being is no monetary transaction. So far as bookkeeping is concerned, only monetary transaction dealing between person involving exchange of value are recorded in the books of account. All the transactions are recorded date-wise. A person who records the same is called as an account who has to show the business result from such record at the end of financial year, which end on 31st March every year. In India, this system of bookkeeping was in operation from 20th century ago at the time of Chandragupta Maurya. Chanakya was recording the accounting transaction. He owed a firm's books known as Arthashastra. After so years, This system was called as Deshinama in certain parts of our country. The double entry bookkeeping system originated in Italy, developed by Luca Pacioli in 1494. Bookkeeping is an art of recording day-to-day business transactions in the books of account in systematic manner. Definition by Richard. The art of analyzing and recording business transaction, responding result of business operation through periodic statement and interpreting such result for purpose of effective control of future operation. Then Jarbati boy, bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealing is a set of books. Bookkeeping is an art of recording in the books of account the monetary aspect of commercial or financial transaction. And then Carter, bookkeeping is the science and art of correctly recording in the books of account all these business transactions that result is transfer or money's worth. This the bookkeeping is the scientific method of recording day-to-day business transaction in the word and figures in the books of account so as to show correctly and clearly the financial position of the business. All the definition emphasizes the point that it is a systematic record in writing of all the business transaction. It hardly needs to be said that the record should be complete and properly set out so as to give the maximum information with the minimum trouble. The record being in writing, it becomes a permanent record and can be referred to at any time in future whenever required. The record is of all the business transaction and it is written systematically so that the net result profit or loss of a business during any particular period can be ascertained and financial position of the business can be determined with accurate details at any given time. Features of bookkeeping. It is the methods of recording day-to-day business transaction. Only financial transactions are recorded. All records are prepared for a specific period which are useful for future reference. Then records of transaction are based on rule and regulations and it is an art of recording business transaction scientifically. Bookkeeping is the process of recording business transaction systematically and in chronological means date-wise order. It records only financial transaction of the business enterprise. Financial transaction are those transactions in which exchange of money involved. In the bookkeeping, recording is made in given set of books of account. In the bookkeeping, record are prepared for a specific period of time, say a financial year beginning of 1st April and ending on 31st March of next year. It is considered as an art of recording business transactions scientifically. Bookkeeping is a social science, as in the bookkeeping business transactions are recorded in the books of account on the business basis of certain principles and conventions. The records prepared in the bookkeeping are possible to be maintained and for a long period of time. Okay, student, today we have studied what is bookkeeping, definition and features. Thank you.